I do want to say that each exhaust in the video are full catback exhaust systems. They aren't just muffler tips, and I am going to use Amazon because you'll be able to add the year, make, and model to make sure that every exhaust that I go over actually ends up fitting your year, make, and model before actually purchasing it. These all have a very deep, aggressive sound for the Honda Civic and sound great for that car. I didn't want to go over any of the high pitch ricer type sounds, so this list is going to be dedicated to the more aggressive sounding exhausts. There are hundreds of different videos to find the exhaust system that sounds best for a Civic, so I wanted to go over the 5 best and put them into a single video. That way you don't spend hours trying to find one that you like to hear. As always, the links to each of these will be down in the description below. The first exhaust is from DNA Motoring. The second exhaust is from MagnaFlow. The third exhaust is from HKS. The fourth exhaust is from Invidia. This is the brand that I have on the BRZ. The fifth exhaust is a Skunk 2. And do keep in mind that all 5 of these catback exhaust systems will sound fairly similar on any year and model of the Honda Civic. So whatever you have, it will still give you that mean aggressive sound that the video was actually dedicated to, since it's what these brands have built their name off of. I hope you all enjoyed the video. As always, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe, and leaving a like is always appreciated if you did enjoy. Other than that, I'll catch you all in the next video. Peace.